Now, 100,000 LA County workers may soon have to show proof of a COVID vaccination or face weekly testing as the latest surge worsens.
Two county supervisors now preparing a motion for a vaccine mandate for those employees.
This as the number of cases and hospitalizations continue to climb. Nearly 2,300 more people tested positive today. 20 more patients died and more than 1,100 people are hospitalized.
Meantime, New York City is demanding everyone who wants to dine, shop, and do business indoors to show proof of vaccination. This will start in 2 weeks, we're told, with enforcement starting next month. It's being called the Key to New York City Pass. Several businesses already requiring proof from employees and customers.
The goal here is to convince everyone that this is the time. If we're going to stop the Delta variant, the time is now.
Now, the number of new cases in New York City is averaging around 1,200 a day. Rising numbers here have people wondering, too, if a similar pass could be on the way for LA County.
Well, CBS 2's Kristine Lazar is live in Hollywood right now with a look at that. Kristine.
Well, that's the big question. No mandate yet, but there are private businesses that are already saying you can't come in unless you're vaccinated, like the Equinox Gym. We're here outside the one in Hollywood, and starting next month, you won't be able to go inside unless you're vaccinated. By this time next month, if you want to work out at Equinox or its sister property SoulCycle, you'll need to be fully vaccinated. This member at the Equinox Hollywood location said he's all for it, as long as it means he can remove his mask.
I think in a situation like this where you're trying to work out with a mask, it's just so difficult to do it with a mask, and if that's the solution for people, I'm okay with it.
In a statement, the Equinox Group said it surveyed its employees and members, with 96% of its members responding that they're fully vaccinated and 89% of its staff. The statement goes on to say while these results are promising, leading and driving meaningful change is more important than ever. The Equinox Group joins a growing number of businesses requiring proof of vaccination or a recent negative test.
I think it's a sign that everyone is getting a little more worried about the Delta variant. And I think people are becoming frustrated with those who just refuse to get vaccinated.
LA County Supervisor Janice Hahn plans to introduce a motion that would require some 100,000 county employees to either get vaccinated or test weekly.
In addition, we'll be mandating that all health care employees get vaccinated.
The public will be able to comment on the motion next Tuesday at the Board of Supervisors meeting. If the board votes to approve the motion, the county will then have 15 days to come up with a plan. I asked the supervisor if the county has plans to require the private sector to also mandate vaccines.
I don't see us right now mandating private businesses, but I hope they join the fight with us.
I did check in with Mayor Garcetti's office, and a spokesperson said right now there is no plan to enforce a vaccine mandate amongst the private sector, but his office said with rising cases and hospitalizations, nothing is off the table. In Hollywood, I'm Kristine Lazar. Back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you, Kristine.